Young filmmakers often go for powerful lights when shooting nighttime interiors due to their inexperience, but they often find themselves battling with too much light and excessive reflections. Let's rethink this strategy. I recently shot some nighttime interior scenes to show my lighting approach. Using low-power lights, I showed how effective they can be in creating cinematic magic. This scene features my friends Tommy and Stacy. Now let's dive into the process. First things first, I choose the shooting location and set up the camera angle that suits the scene best. After some initial camera adjustments, I plan the lighting based on the shot specifics. We then rehearse with the actors and camera to choreograph their movements. Excellent. Now let's set up the cinematic lighting. I divided the location into 2 zones, warm and cold, aiming to create a cozy atmosphere around the characters in a contrasting world. For this setup, I use 6 lighting fixtures. If you're curious about the equipment in this video, check out the description link for more details and a 5% discount promo code. Notice the desk lamp on the table in our location. It motivated the lighting design for this shot. While the lamp added ambiance, it couldn't achieve the cinematic look we wanted on its own, so we needed a few extra touches. To fill the room with light, I used the SmallRig RC30B. It's compact and has stepless beam angle adjustment, which allows precise light control from 15 degrees to 60 degrees. Its 4-leaf barn door helped manage excess light effectively. I also used the VB99 Pro Mini V-mount battery mounted on a tripod to avoid unnecessary cables across the room and ensure excellent fill lighting. To highlight the actor's face, I used the RM120 RGB from SmallRig, placed strategically on the table for a key light effect. Next, I introduced a cool light in the hallway where the actress enters, using the SmallRig RC60B with a deep blue gel filter. The RC60B has a built-in powerful battery, ensuring uninterrupted shooting for about an hour. For more details on this light, check out my other video recommendations. To enhance the cinematic feel, I added a touch of warm light through the RC30B, focusing its beam on the doorway to create a delicate strip of light. After a final rehearsal, I noticed the shadows were too deep, so I slightly increased the overall brightness to add detail to darker areas. Using another RC60B set at 1% dimmer, I bounced light off the wall to get the desired effect. Adding a touch of smoke added depth to the shot, completing the scene preparation. For the close-up shot, I maintained the color scheme from earlier shots, relocating the RC60B with the deep blue filter to the balcony and placing the RM120 RGB closer to the actress for a defined key light. Bouncing the second RC60B off the ceiling provided optimal lighting. In conclusion, low-power lighting fixtures are ideal for nighttime interiors. They are battery-operated, often with built-in batteries, which streamline workflow during shoots. They also offer better control over light spread and reflections, crucial for managing lighting effectively in low-light conditions. This makes them an ideal solution for independent filmmaking. Stay tuned for more content and updates.